If your website feels like a hidden treasure, you're missing a solid keyword strategy. Imagine you're opening a coffee shop in your town. You want people to find you when they search for best coffee near me or cozy coffee spots. That's where keyword strategies come into play. Keywords are the terms and phrases that people type into search engines. The right keywords can bridge the gap between your website and your audience. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you run a pet shop. Instead of using just pets as a keyword, think more specifically. Affordable pet grooming in Miami or tropical fish store near me can drive more relevant traffic to your site. It's all about being specific and relevant to your audience's needs. Authority Solutions steps into this scenario by offering tailored SEO services that help identify and integrate these critical keywords effectively. Their expertise ensures that your site ranks higher, pulling in traffic that converts. Now, if you're eager to dive deeper into SEO and enhance your website's visibility, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights right here. Get your site the attention it deserves.